Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in, and welcome to my 2857th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, well, Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, thank you for tuning in. It is Wednesday night. This video is coming at you on Wednesday night for trading on Thursday, Jan 23rd, 2025. Remember how risky trading is. Risky. Don't ever trade without putting in your protective stops. What are we looking at? Same chart as last night. Crude oil. Remember I said we've got a projection now. Crude oil ultimately will reach 47.50, first 55, then 47.50. All right, so that is intact. I don't want you to think that changed at all. We called it the Trump trade, right? The Trump trade. It should take us down to 55 and then ultimately maybe 47.50. So that remains intact. And do you believe that that's where it's going to go? I've had some traders leave some comments in last night's video. I'd like those comments again, if you wouldn't mind. Anybody watching, do you think we can drop that far? Do you think the Trump trade, so to speak? And I promise you, this is not about politics. I am using pure technical analysis. I gave it a cute name. You know what I mean? Call it anything you want. Is it going down to 55 and then 47 and a half? What do you think about that? Leave your comments below. That's crude. I say that call, of course, is intact. I wanted to tell you about that in tonight's video. What else did I wanted to tell you? Well, I wasn't actually planning on doing a Camtasia shoot tonight. I was going to get in front of the camera because I thought I had a lot of great stuff to show you for the upside in the markets. But instead, here is what I have to show you, and it is what it is. So instead of us getting a great signal to trade the Omni and even the S&P, NASDAQ, or Russell tomorrow, the E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell, the Omni says, no, hold off. Well, that's why I really didn't have anything great to show you. It told us, don't trade, back off, stop buying the dips. Didn't tell us to get short, but the Omni said, stop trading, stand off to the side, and get this. Omni waved us off in U.S. indices, E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, and the lot. Metals, gold, silver, you name it. In the grains, you know, we looked at soybeans, oats, wheat, corn, waved off. In the oil markets, I want to be short right now in the oil, but Omni waved me off. Currency trading, Omni's waved me off. But there are other markets that the Omni didn't wave me off of. And you Platinum members, if you're getting flash updates where I'm sending you out my live trades, don't worry, I've got some things up the Omni sleeve. I'll figure something out. We've got some stuff brewing. All Omni trades, but maybe not in those arenas. So, what I wanted you to look at is this is the NASDAQ weekly bar, and there may be some turbulence along the way, as there always is. But look at where we are right now. I mean, we're inside this channel on a weekly, so each one of these green or red bars represents a full week's worth of trading. We're inside of a channel, bouncing nicely in that channel, dipped underneath for a week and a half, got back above, looking smart now, getting sort of near the previous high that we seen a few weeks back, 5-6 weeks ago, 4 or 5 weeks ago. We had a high up here. We're starting to approach that now. Overall, the indices look pretty good. Look at this chart, in fact. Used to create bull flags on the way up. Look at this average and the hold that you seem to get around it each time. Here, boom, starts the upswing, holds here, holds here, holds there. Now we're starting to get away from it on the upside. So that doesn't look, nothing that would tell me I think we're going to have a big crash here by any means. But the Omni doesn't want us trading for day trading on Thursday. In those markets, we have some others we'd like to play with. We've been calling this chart masterpiece because I literally have been using this in videos for years now, this very same chart. I hope you like it. I hope this is helping you. Traders, please subscribe to these videos. Leave your comments below about crude. Subscribe to my videos. And then, of course, join me at livewithoscar.com in my free live trading room. No credit cards are required. Just go to Live with Oscar, become a member, register, choose a password, a username, get an email, check your spam, shoot that email back, and you can join me in my free live trading room. No credit cards are required. I do this to help people. Come on out and hang out with me, okay? Everyone is invited. I hope to see you there. That's at livewithoscar.com. Barring that, remember, kids, keep your emotions out of trading. How do we do that? Well, we say this to ourselves over and over again, and by now many of you know what I'm about to say. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, stop. Sorry, stop. I got the same signal in Bitcoin, kids. Stay away from Bitcoin for a day as well. Just thought I'd share that. Now, let's do this. Keep your emotions out of trading. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stop, sir. In. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, that is the truth. Put your stops in, keep your emotions out. Join me at livewithoscar.com. I promise I can help you. I will not hurt, and I will see you all there.